In Adi Shankaracharya's commentary of the Gita, he says that every fact of experience involves twofold consciousness. The consciousness of the real, that is the Sat, and the consciousness of the unreal, that is the Asat. And the seers of the truth, they understand very clearly what is real and what is unreal. The eternal substance is divided into two: the Sat, or the changeless spirit, and secondly the Asat, which is the unreal, or which is the ever-changing nature, which is our cosmic mother of 24 attributes. The ordinary individual considers matter as real because it is manifest. He ignores the spirit because it is hidden inside. So he thinks spirit is unreal. So this delusion keeps him in ignorance and suffering. The wise man is able to perceive beyond this wheel of illusion. The wise man is able to perceive the everlasting reality and is therefore very permanently happy always. The message of Lord Shri Krishna is very, very clear. Lord Krishna tells Arjun to shake off his grief because that is unreal. We all have existed before and we will continue to exist even after the passing of this physical body. Only those having this true knowledge are able to design an extraordinary life for themselves.